Habari za wakati huu. Shafika wakati huo basi ujue kwamba ni wasaa mwafaka kabisa kutazama kipindi Ashirafu Taifa la Kenya, kipindi cha Kenya's Gold ambacho kinakufunza wewe kama mwanafunzi wetu, na mimi tayari wewe umeshikilia kalamu yako, karatasi, andika, tekeleza baadaye. Afya yako haijatetereka wala haijatatarika, upo tahafifu kabisa. Shughuli nzima hapa mkoko ndo unalika maua, upo tayari kabisa kusanzuka kadi tama tufike tamati. Utasoma kabisa, najua hilo, kwa sababu tunakuenzi kama mwanafunzi wetu. Kesho wewe utakuwa yule mwalimu ambaye atafunza wengine. Lakini sasa nikufahamishe kwamba tofauti na kila Ijumaa tunakufunza kuhusiana na mazingira, leo tutakuonyesha utaratibu ambao unatumika ili kutengeneza kiti. Ile jagi unatumia nyumbani, kikombe cha plastiki unachotumia kinafanywa namna gani ili tupate nafasi ya kutumia kile kikombe, au ile plastiki ambayo unatumia kuketi wanatengeneza namna gani. Bila shaka ni safari na sisi kadi tama tufike tamati. Shikilia papo hapo. Jina langu ni Emmanuel Terer, tuende kazi, usome na mimi. Karibu sana kwa kipindi chetu. Naomba sana utuambie jina lako, kwenye tuko na kile unafanya in recycling sector.
So my name is Sagar Shah. I am from Ala Industries. I am the director. We are mainly in manufacturing of plastic products. So our main core business is recycling of plastics to make the finished products. So our factory does like more than 65% of recycling plastic, which goes to the dump site. From the dump site, then we do all the process of recycling. After doing recycling, it's produced the finished products which can be usable at the households.
Okay. Kwa vitu ambavyo umesema mnatengeneza kurecycle itoke products ni kati kama nini na nini?
So tuko na vitu mingi. So tuko na vitu karibu 400. We are making basins, buckets, chairs, which is regular household items which everybody use regularly in their homes. So kiti tuko na aina mingi, tuko na basins aina mingi. So everybody has a different type of requirement. So tunaketa kila mtu ndio at least waone design yake vile wanapenda, ndio anaweza tumia hiyo kitu, anaweza chukua hapo.
Good. Nafurahi sana vingo kuhusiana na hilo, but quality yake, standard ya hiyo quality ikoje ukiona hizo plastics ambazo mnatoa?
Quality is wonderful. It's just like virgin. The products, the one we are producing, we also produce the virgin. Also, we produce the recycle. But our main aim is to do more of recycle. We are doing 65 to 70% recycling, and the quality is the same. There is no differentiate, and it's long-lasting, strong, durable quality. Our customers also like that products. They love it, and it's because of their trust we are here right now.
Nafurahi sana umesema vitu viwili, kuna virgin na kuna recycle. Lakini tuende kwa recycle. Nipatie historia yako. Ulianzia wapi? Safari ilianza hapa ama kuna sehemu ambayo ulianzia kwanza?
So back in 2004, we started our company, Ala Industries. One of our founding director was started the company. That time, when even nobody had thought of recycling in Kenya. We are the one who pioneered that one. We started with getting the waste from the market. Then at that moment, like we used to do all the process in-house. We used to gather the plastics, then we sort as per grade wise, then what we required, we keep it ourselves. Other we sell to other people. That what we clean, what we dry, even that moment, we had not the dryers, we had not the heavy machinery. We used to dry on our roof that moment. And the person itself standing on the roof to get it to dry. So that's how we started our journey. From there, the journey begins slowly. It's all because of collaborative things from our suppliers who are also part of the chain, who had also supported us. We also supported them by providing them machinery, by providing them know-how, all the datas, how to gather the material, how to segregate. And then slowly, gradually we are expanding the things.
Nafurahi sana, hiyo expansion imefika kiwango ambacho nyinyi sasa mnaenda kuchukua takataka, ama kuna watu ambao wanachukua takataka kwa niaba yenu na wanafikisha hapa?
Basically, I can take you backward, a bit of backward process.
Okay.
You see, there are a lot of people, unsung heroes, who get the takatakas from the dump side, from the even Chok River. They collect the chakoras, mainly is chakoras involved in this process from the first level. So chakoras they bring to recyclers. Those recyclers is like they accumulate the things, then they segregate with the grade wise. So like we using a particular grade, particular that products. So to make particular products, it's required particular grade. After segregation, they bring it contaminated, like uncleaned, unwashed, everything. So once it received to us, it's all mix of contamination. You can say grease, oils, mufta, iko vitu mingi dani. So we have a process in-house. We have developed the machine in-house for recycling. So we first receive the material. After that receiving the material, we put into a washing line. The washing line is the very crucial process for our production. It's clean out every contamination from it. Once it clean all the contamination, after that there is a process we go into drying.
Before the next process, hiyo machine ambayo mnatumia kuosha, very beautiful one. Creation yake ulicreate namna gani na je inaharakishaje kwa sababu wakati mwingine tumetembelea watu wanaosha na mkono lakini wewe unatumia mashine.
So it's in-house, it's a brainchild of our another director who is very strong in technical, the founding member. You see, like the people when they do washing and all these things with the hand, they also get tired, they also get trouble. So instead of that one, we created the machine to expedite the fast process. And with the fast process, like if you do in manually, you can do 100 kilo, let's say in one day. This machine can do 1 ton. So it's also increase the capacity, which helps the environment also to get more waste. We can get it and we can clean it and we can use it on that process.
Okay. Baada ya kupokea takataka umesema kwamba zinaoshwa na umesema kuosha is very crucial. Unamaanisha nini?
You see, washing is like all the contamination, which is like I mentioned, all the contamination is there inside. So when the contamination is there and that material you can't use in the machine directly, it will not produce any product because there are a lot of things inside. Maybe it's a metal also there. There's aluminum, iron, then grease. You see, grease even it can go in the machine, it can get a fire. It can catch the fire, which is quite dangerous. And if it is a clean material, then it produces a clean product. And we want also to give the clean product to our customer who loves our product, who just look after our brands, then they say that this product we want it, this Safari product we want it. So that's why we have to do all the process properly.
Okay. Mtu akisikia when you're saying ni waste ambayo tunamwaga kule, anaweza tarajia takataka kama karatasi, lakini what you see is different. Hiyo tunamwaga hapo inakuwa imepita process gani kabla tukuje tumwage kuoshwa?
So it's first when it get accumulated, it is a full product. So you can say a piece of broken pieces which has been thrown out by the people, or after usage it's broken and then they throw it. So that has been collected. Then the first stage, the person who segregate the grade wise, they do crush. Then when they crush it, they bring it to us.
Baada ya kuosha, ni nini inafuata?
After washing, it has a lot of water in it. So definitely it has to go to drying. You see, water is also a challenging things for us. If it is a water inside the material, then it cannot produce a good product. Eventually you want to produce a quality product. So to produce a quality product, we have to dry it out. With the machine which runs with the circulation, so it produces a natural heat inside. So it get all the moisture absorbed in the air, evaporation. Then it goes for the process.
Okay. Je, mnaosha tani ngapi kwa siku moja?
So our total installed capacity, we can recycle up to 800 tons a month. So right now, the market is not quite supporting. Okay. So we are doing half of it, but still we are doing a very big quantitative number, then to produce a finished product out of that one. After drying, it goes to the extrusion process. So the extrusion is also another crucial part, where it's to get the uniformity of the colors, uniformity of the products. So it goes in the extrusion machine. So in the extrusion machine, it's produced like a wire. So wire, then it cuts into small pieces. It's like kamamachele. So when it goes that one, then that process ends over there. Then it's further go to the machine.
Okay, let's go back to coloring. how do you measure the ratios of color?
So we have a standardized level of color. Like normally our product as a recycler, we can't produce all the colors, very dark, very bright colors, because there are some limitations we are also facing. So we have to accumulate in some process whereby we do a red color, green color, blue color, which can't go any, then it goes to black.
Okay.
So we have mainly 4 colors in our recycling product. So that's how we do.
Wakati unapitisha kabla ikue ile inakaa waya.
Extrusion.
Yes. Je, hapo ndani kuna kichungi ambaye na ziba isipitishe mawe, chuma ipite nayo?
Each stage we have a process whereby we try to stop the things which is alien to the plastic, which cannot work together. We don't want to be in a process that one process pass, then there are some things remain and it goes directly to the machine. It also damage our machines, which are very costly.
Okay.
So we have to safeguard everywhere.
Hapo ndani pia wakati inapita ile inakaa waya, kuna maji. Umuhimu wa maji hapo nini?
So you see, when it comes from the machine, it's extruded. It's melted like thick glue or something, you can say. So when it comes, it's very hot. It has already burned in 200+ degree. So it has to pass through the water, so to get cooling, so to get a bit of tempering on that one, then it goes to the cutting machine.
Okay. The cutting machine inatoa equal sizes ya hiyo vitu. Inasetiwa namna gani?
So it's the beauty of that machine. It has a special cutter, specialized cutter, which we get it from outside, which we import, and then it's used over there.
That requires labor. How do you deal with that? Is there shifts for people to work, and are you working 24/7?
Yeah, we have to work 24/7 because you see, once the machine has been given heating, you cannot stop the machine, otherwise it will create a big loss. If you do only day run and if you don't run night, you will not able to survive in the market because of the cost of the power.
Zile mashine ambazo mnazitumia nimeona inakwenda mpaka inatoa moshi. Huwa mna cool namna gani?
We have people who are trained over there. So everybody has trained at their level, and they know by the experience that if the things comes up like the heating, overheating or something, it happens. So they reduce with the machines, the parameters, then it automatically do and normalize the things.